Hello kids, welcome back to our channel Amayra's Homeschool. So today's video is about the cycle of sunflowers. If you like this video, like it, share it, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe it. So Daisy was excited. Today their classroom was the school garden. This meant her class would be visiting the sunflowers they had planted weeks ago. In the garden, they saw little sprouts that pushed against the rich soil. Bees and butterflies fluttered from one flower to the next flower. This is really a fun for them. Plants, like animals and human beings, start small, said Mrs. May, their biology teacher. So now, what next? The butterflies you see started out eggs that hatched into fuzzy caterpillars. You and I were once zygotes that grew in our mother's womb. How about plants? Instead of eggs, they can start out as asked Mrs. May. Seeds, said the entire class. I hope, kids, you also know how plants grow with the help of seed. That's right. They can also start out as spores. They can be planted directly into the soil or transported by nature's helpers like the wind. After being planted, they will begin to sprout. What is this process? Germination, answered Daisy. Yes, it is called germination. Exactly, because the temperature and the soil conditions were perfect for growth, our sunflower seeds were able to germinate. Now, after germination process, what is the next thing going to happen? As they grow, plants take minerals from the soil and make their own food from sunlight and water. This process is called photosynthesis. And as they grew, buds formed and started to open. Mrs. May pointed to the blooms that will last for about 20 days. They observed as insects come and go to soon pollinate other sunflowers. So, kids, this is going to be very interesting. What happens after that? Daisy asked. The plant's petals will later shrink and wilt. Eventually, all petals will be gone. Daisy and her classmates imagine these flowers so full of color and life, suddenly wilting and turning brown. Yes, it is sad, said Mrs. May, but think of how their seeds will be scattered and released back into the earth. That will be the start of new sunflowers. Daisy realized. Indeed, this whole process is called the plant's life cycle. Daisy smiled to herself and thought of how wondrous nature can be. So, kids, like the video, and if you are new, subscribe it. So we will see you in the next video. Till then, Take care of yourself. And thank you so much for watching the video. Bye bye.